Hello everyone, welcome to Casual Cooking Channel. Today I share calf ribs with spicy salt. How to achieve the same fluffy taste as the restaurant. We'll share the method later. Defrost it first. Three teaspoons salt. Wait for it to thaw before processing. It has been thawed. Scoop it up. Clearly there are 3 bones. Cut between them. The secret weapon is dispatched this time. Salt water. Soak it to be soft. In fact, baking powder has the same effect, but many viewers resist it. So use soda water instead to make. It is recommended to soak for more than half an hour. The effect will be better. Half an hour later. Scoop up, drain. No need to rinse. Soda water is drinkable, so don't need to rinse. After draining, season it. The weight is about 800 grams. Add a teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon chicken powder, 1 teaspoon pepper, 1 tablespoon Maggi soy sauce, a small amount of dark soy sauce for toning, 3 teaspoons cornstarch. Mix well. Add water little by little to make it to absorb. Don't rush and don't add a lot of water at once, otherwise it will not absorb water. Add water little by little. If it still feels dry, add a little water. Do not add any more water if you see that there is excess water that cannot be absorbed. Add a tablespoon of sesame oil. Mix well. It is recommended to wrap it in a fresh keeping bag. Put in the refrigerator for more than 12 hours. Wait for it to absorb water. The effect will be better. After 12 hours in the refrigerator, deal with it. Before cooking the beef ribs, prepare 2 ingredients, garlic and chili. Just chop them up. Modified spicy salt. Because the beef rib is already seasoned, so don't add too much salt. Half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon pepper, 1 teaspoon allspice powder. Mix well. Already prepared. After the rib is marinated, it can be made. 12 hours later. Remove from refrigerator. Let stand for 20分钟 use. Wait for its temperature to rise before making it. After 20分钟 use, fry it. Heat up the wok. You must heat the wok until very hot before adding oil. Otherwise, the rib will be very sticky to the wok. It's hot enough. Turn off the stove. Add 3 tablespoons of oil. Shake well. Turn to medium and low heat. Start frying the beef ribs. Because of the large portion, must move the wok. Heat it evenly. Fry for about 3分钟 use on each side. Remove and drain. Pour off excess oil and rinse out the wok. Turn on the stove. Add a tablespoon of oil. Saute garlic and chili. Add rib. Add 2 tablespoons of Shioxin wine to the spicy salt. Mix well. Turn to the maximum heat. Stir fry evenly. Ready to disk. Today's calf ribs with spicy salt. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.